Welcome back. Today it is Monday. It's going to be the first trading day of the week. It is the 29th of April. Let that focus up. And it's 8:10. It's early, but right now, if you guys watched yesterday's video, you know we're trying to get the FBA hoodies that I had made. My friend Jordan, he had them made and he had them shipped to me and he had them shipped to Kino. So me and him are the only people that had these hoodies as of right now. But I got to go pick it up from the post office. Yesterday was Sunday, so it's closed, so we got to get it today. So I'm going to go get that after I drop my girl off at work. And then I'm going to also go to the leasing office to see if I can get Edward's clothing, because my other friend sent me his clothing brand also that I'm going to take some pictures of and show you guys on the vlog. So that's what we're going to do. And then from there, we're going to come back, get the VIP trading network all started, and that's when we're actually going to try to make some money. That's where our day really begins. So let's get on the road. Arrived. Front row seat, I'll take it. Yo, that shit just pissed me off, bro. I just did all that waiting. I was in there that whole entire time. I waited in there for 30 minutes. It's already about to be 9:30. I'm already in a trade, by the way. I like these longs on... Hold on, nothing's loading. Damn, bro. We're starting our week off great, aren't we? But I got into these longs on US 30. I like these longs. I want to see price reach for the overall London high. Get it closer in there so you can see it. Reach for the London high. We're in a little bit of drawdown, but we're only down $55. We're risking, what was it? We're risking 250, but here, we about to put this bitch in sport mode. We gotta get to the crib. So right now, essentially, I did all that waiting, and they couldn't even find my hoodie, bro. All that fucking waiting I just did, and they didn't. My hoodie wasn't even there, apparently. They can't find it, so the guy was just like, here, give me your number. When we find it, I'll call you, and then you can either come pick it up, or they can drop it off at my house. And I'm just like, bro, what the fuck? I just did all that for nothing. And now I gotta get all the way back home. And I'm still gonna go to the office. I'm probably just gonna call them first to make sure that the office actually has my other package that I need. Because if they don't have it, bro, today's been a bad start. Well, hopefully this trade can hit though. I'll keep you guys updated with the trade also. But I'm about to have to rush over there because it's like a 15-minute drive. It's already 9:30. Yeah, if our trade ends up hitting stop loss, hitting TP, hitting break even, getting whatever happens like within this span, because it is about to hit 9:30, so that volume is about to kick in, then I'll let you guys know. We in a little bit of profit. 9:30 just hit. Yup. We're finally at the crib. Luna, I don't got no time to say hi to you. I don't. I'm sorry, I just don't. I gotta get on this computer, turn all this on. Oh my God. I'm in the trade. The trade's already break even. I don't remember if I showed you guys. All I know is I've been trying to hurry up and get home so I can actually be able to be at my desk. Yo, I hate this desk sometimes. Come on, computer. Come on, computer. About that break even on the same trade. About to get this good old Dunkin'. About to eat some food, head to Walmart, and then head to the gym. After waiting literally multiple hours, I took overall 3 trades today. I'm not even sure if I recorded the 3rd trade because I've been out and about, and I also just came to get my girlfriend because I also got to go to, I'm going to go to Target next. Yeah, I'm going to Target. I don't know if I'll bring you guys with me or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But the main point of me starting this recording is to tell you guys that today tested my patience so much. From the beginning of the morning when I had to wait 30 minutes inside the post office just to not get my hoodie, to when I went to trading to have to wait 2 hours for a trade to hit break even, wait another hour for a trade to hit break even, to then have to take my 3rd trade, which was US 30 longs. Like I said, I don't know if I took any clips of it because it was kind of like a last, like on the go type of thing. I didn't have my camera to record at the moment. And the last trade was a trade that actually played out way faster than all other trades. The trade that actually played out was probably only not even like, I could probably check it right now. We could check how long this trade actually was. Okay, it doesn't say because technically since I had the break-even trades, those also calculated as a win because it ended up being in profit. So even though I held those trades, it said I held the longest one for an hour and 51 minutes, that still counted as a win because I didn't lose money on that trade. I ended up break even, but I didn't lose money. But it was long 2 trades, and then the last trade actually played out. So we ended the day at about $700 in profit. As you can see right here, we ended the day off about $700 in profit. So it wasn't a bad day. Overall, the count right now is sitting at roughly 1,557, which isn't bad at all. If you guys want to see, 1,500 is where we're currently at, and that is with 3 days on the count total, 3 trading days. So far, I've won all 3 trading days, but losses are going to come. I had break-even trades today, but tomorrow I love the gym, but I hate that shit at the same time. I just got done. My legs are cooked right now. As you guys can see, I got Edwards, commas, and cultures. We got it. I wasn't able to get my FBA Capital hoodie yet. I'm gonna try again tomorrow, see if they got it. I don't know where it's at. If anything, we're just gonna have some new ones made, have some new ones shipped. The new ones aren't gonna be like the old ones though. It's gonna be a little bit different. They'll be probably for sale maybe in a couple months. Right now, we're just trying to test out the hoodie, see what they look like, and I'm tested on and everything. If you wanna know what the hoodie that I wasn't able to get looks like, just go look at Kino. Go look at High Power. He'll be able to show you the FBA Capital hoodie. But this right here, I like this. This matches my car. That's the reason why I got this color specifically, because this matches the car and it looks good with the Yeezys on. It probably wasn't the best thing to work out in because I'm sweating like a motherfucker. And since I was hitting legs, anybody that hits legs know that shit will get you sweaty. That testosterone be hitting. But I'm about to head back to the crib. I'm gonna show you guys how this matches with the car and everything. But it's been a good day so far. Hopefully Top Step updated their credentials so I can show you guys. But if they didn't update it yet, we're probably gonna be ending the video off soon. But let me go show you the car. Oh yeah, see, look, we got the fit, commas, and culture matching the benzo. It's not the perfect color, but it works. It's about similar. Come on now. Close enough. The fit picture gonna be coming soon. Just wait on it. How you like the fit? All right, so you can see this is the results for the day. We had US 30 that gave us a trade for 775 in total. I tried to close it at 800, but after the commission, everything was 775. Then the NAS 100 trade was break even. That ended off at $10 negative. The count is sitting at 1557. So before the trading day started, it was at about 800. So for the day, that's 730. So it's not bad. And if we go over to trading view, this is where the trade was taken and everything. A whole bunch happened after the fact, but today overall was trash. But if we go into the trade event, you can see it's the same account, 1557, the express, and for the day, 730. So not a bad day, even though it took forever. It was a experience. But this is where I'm about to end it off. I don't got really much else to show. I just got to edit this video. I'm in bed. I just got done the gym, so I got everything that needs to be done besides post the video. Ate food, had Chick-fil-A. Now I'm about to just get this done, and then that's my day. Then we go to sleep, wake up, rinse and repeat, do it all over again for another, what's today, Tuesday?